Assalamu alaikum. Today is our discussion on balance scorecard discussion. What, why and how. ব্যালেন্স স্কোরকার্ড কি, কিভাবে কাজ করে, কেন এটা দরকারি কোম্পানির ম্যানেজমেন্টের বা বোর্ডের জন্য। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং ব্যালেন্স স্কোরকার্ড। ব্যালেন্স স্কোরকার্ড short form is BSC. Before discussion on balance scorecard, it is important to understand the context and the concept behind the management and monitoring tool created by Professor Robert S. Kaplan and David Norton in their famous article in the Harvard Business Review in 1992 entitled The Balanced Scorecard Measures That Drive Performance. At that time, there was a perception that the benchmarking methods of organizations were becoming obsolete and inadequate. At the end of the professor's study, rather than create a more appropriate method of enterprise performance measurement, they eventually developed an efficient support system for decision making to aid strategic management. One of the key points of the balanced scorecard was to expand the performance evaluation of prospects that have always been very focused purely on financial aspects. In the word of the professors themselves, Robert Kaplan and David Norton, balanced scorecard communication happens through a logical structure based on the management of established goals, enabling managers to reallocate physical, financial, and human resources in order to achieve strategic objectives. More than a performance measurement tool, the balanced scorecard is a translator of strategy and a performance communicator. Balanced scorecard objectives. The best way to define the objectives and their metrics for each of the perspective is by answering a few questions. Note that there is an interconnected hierarchy ranging from financial goals, usually what the company wants to attain, through to internal customers, process, and then learning and growth, which is the way to perpetuate long-term achievements. Balanced scorecard tools. A tool for monitoring the strategic decision taken by the company based on indicators previously established and that should permit through at least 4 aspects: financial, customer, internal process, and learning and growth. So the company has its measurement capabilities and expanded monitoring, allowing all relevant points of the supply chain to be measured. Also, it brings about significant improvement in the whole company's understanding of their strategy defined by top management, which is assessed so that each employee is involved in the process. It's done through the development of strategic maps. Financial perspective. To success financially, how should shareholders view us? Sample answer would be increase revenue and increase profitability. How to measure it? Through the financial statements. What are the key performance indicator? Account receivable turnover rate, average payment period for payable rate, cost reduction in key areas, percentage change in the sales revenue, return on equity, return on total asset. Customer perspective. To achieve our vision, how should our customer see us? A simple answer: we need to show the market that our products have superior quality compared to the competition. How to measure it? Through customer satisfaction survey. What are the KPI? Customer complaints rate, complaints resolved on first contact, response time per customer request, advertisement cost as a percentage of sales, marketing cost as a percentage of sales, brand recognition, number of customers lost and new customer gain, market share of each product. Internal process perspective, to satisfy our customers, what business process do we need to achieve excellence in? A simple answer, we must achieve excellence in quality control and innovation. How to measure it? By the statistical analysis of data reports. KPI would be average producing time of orders, capacity use rate, internal rate of return on new project, labor utilization rate, number of new products and services, number of on-time delivery, purchase returns frequency, research and development cost as a percentage of sales, ratio of new products service to all orders, rework unit, setup times, time to replace and repair the defected products, warranty claims. Learning and growth perspective, to achieve our vision. How will we sustain our ability to change and improve? Simple answer, we must sustain our ability to change and improve through the intensification of training and qualification of employees. How to measure it? By verifying the number of hours spent in training and the number of certificates achieved by employees in outsourced courses. KPI would be average years of service, time to spend to employee training, employee productivity, employee suggestion accepted and implemented, ethics violation in the workplace, leadership development, number of cross-train, outstanding number of applicants for employment. Balanced scorecard chart, it's a top to down approach. Learning and growth, improve skills and improve tools. Improve skills hit to the second level, process efficiency, and process efficiency hit to the fourth level, lower cost, the financial level. Improve tools hit to the second level, internal process efficiency, and then faster output. Faster output hit to the third level, the customer level, lower wait time, and then better retention. It hit to the fourth level, increase revenue. Lower cost and increased revenue both hit to the increased profit. Balanced scorecard score example, it's a hypothetical point is there, financial perspective, customer perspective, internal process perspective, learning and growth perspective. There is a weightage is here and the score is here. The overall score is 80%. In this way, the balanced scorecard shows in a dashboard so that board member and management member can easily understand the company what is the condition right now. About 30% of Fortune 2000 firms have adopted a balanced scorecard. 55% of those firms are very satisfied with it. It is researched by R.D. Banker and C. Constance and S. Janakiraman in January 2000. Thank you.